Thing is, I need to come up with a dispenser for oil mileage sticker things for the windows on cars. A piece that that's 3D printed that I can stick to the wall using double-sided tape, where I can have a removable spool holder that just kind of falls into place or leans into place, however you want to do it. It's fine if it's just slots and it drops in so that the axle sticks out into the slot. It'd be cool if it also had an ink pen holder of some sort. So, think you can take that on?
Yeah, we'll see what I can do. What's up? I bring you the sticker holder.
Yes, sir. I gotta find some double-sided tape.
That's a good idea.
I don't have any.
Do they have it at Home Depot?
Yeah, they do. Be able to come up here, pull it down like that, and then rip it off. Either way, it doesn't matter. And then the ink pen, put down the date. What's today's date? Mileage. I'll tell you what though, that's going to be cool. I'm going to be printing out more of these, put them around the shop. That way they don't have to go searching for the labels.
Thanks again, dude.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem.